The lineage graph is one of Foundry's killer features. It's not hidden in an admin tool. It's visible to anyone with access to the data. An analyst can immediately see this dataset depends on that pipeline, which reads these three raw files. An architect can ask, if we change that column, what breaks? And the lineage graph shows the full impact. Impact analysis prevents surprises. Before you change anything, you know exactly what downstream systems will be affected. In traditional data lakes, a developer might change a column and unknowingly break three downstream dashboards. In Foundry, the impact analysis tells you immediately. This change affects dashboard X, dashboard Y, and agent Z. Here are the teams you need to notify. Health checks run automatically on a schedule, daily, weekly, or after every pipeline run. They are not one-time validations. They are continuous monitoring. If the technician table suddenly has 3 duplicate technician IDs, you get an alert before those duplicates cascade into your ontology. Proactive data quality beats reactive firefighting. Foundry supports column level and row level permissions. An ops manager sees all work order details. A technician sees only their assigned work orders and only the columns relevant to them. Locations, description, not sensitive info like customer notes or costs. These permissions are enforced everywhere, in ontology, workshop, API calls, exports. A technician can't bypass them by querying the raw dataset directly.